This video covers Filmora versus VN Video Editor. Choosing the right mobile video editor can transform your content creation without complicated software. Both apps offer powerful tools but differ in features and user experience. Filmora and VN Video Editor are popular mobile apps for video editing. Filmora focuses on polished effects and templates, while VN offers a lightweight, flexible interface for quick edits. The core difference lies in Filmora's advanced features versus VN's simplicity and speed. Filmora is a comprehensive mobile video editor designed for creators wanting professional quality results on the go. It offers a wide range of effects, transitions, and customizable templates that simplify complex editing tasks. The app supports multi-track editing, allowing users to layer videos, music, and text seamlessly. Filmora's intuitive interface balances powerful tools with ease of use, making it accessible for beginners and intermediate users. It also includes advanced features like keyframe animation and color correction for more creative control. However, Filmora's extensive feature set can sometimes feel overwhelming for quick edits, and rendering times may be longer on older devices. The app offers in-app purchases for premium effects and watermark removal. Filmora is ideal for users who want to create polished videos with professional touches directly from their mobile device, especially those who value creative flexibility and detail customization. VN Video Editor is a lightweight, user-friendly app focused on fast and efficient mobile video editing. It provides essential editing tools such as trimming, splitting, and speed control, along with a variety of filters and transitions. VN's clean interface emphasizes ease of use, making it perfect for quick edits and social media content creation. The app supports multi-layer editing but keeps the workflow straightforward, avoiding feature overload. One of VN's strengths is its smooth performance even on mid-range devices, ensuring fast rendering and export times. While VN lacks some advanced features like keyframe animation and extensive color grading, it covers all basics with reliability. The app is free with optional in-app purchases, but does not impose watermarks, which is a plus for casual creators. VN Video Editor is best suited for users who want a simple, fast, and effective editing solution without the learning curve of more complex apps. Filmora and VN Video Editor serve different needs in mobile video editor. Filmora excels when creating detailed professional videos with advanced effects and customizations, ideal for creators aiming for high production value. However, it requires more time and device resources. VN shines in quick, straightforward editing with a clean interface and fast performance, perfect for social media posts or casual projects. While Filmora offers deeper creative control, VN prioritizes speed and simplicity. Choosing between them depends on your workflow. Use Filmora if you want extensive tools and polished results, or VN if you prefer a hassle-free app for rapid editing without sacrificing quality. Filmora is recommended for users seeking professional-grade mobile editing with advanced features and creative flexibility, especially for more complex video projects. VN Video Editor is ideal for those needing a fast, intuitive mobile editor with all essential tools for smooth, quality edits without complexity. Choose VN for quick social media content and Filmora for polished, feature-rich videos to elevate your mobile editing experience.